She's my baby.
She's This is Dubai Hills Mall, and we are coming here to try Wicked Crab seafood boil in Wicked Crab restaurant. So it's a nice mall. So this is Dubai Hills Mall. Gia! She is 8-month-old today. Tia, can you wear this? Gigu! Gigu! Tia करना, वो तो से हंस रही थी. Gia! Gigu! Yay!
As you can see, there's wicked crab right in front of you.
So this is Wicked Crab by Aprons and Hammer, and we're gonna have
Seafood boil.
seafood boil here, and this is the adventure part just next to it.
And seafood boil has been in our bucket list for such a long time, but finally we're having a chance to eat it.
Yeah, so let's explore this.
I smell lobster,
Yeah,
but it's supposed to smell like crab.
Wicked Crab.
Wicked crab.
So this is the seating arrangement here.
The seating and everything is so clean.
Yeah.
It's so clean. It's so clean and well organized, and I love the LED light.
Okay. We'll sit.
I want to
Come.
sit with the view, like the window.
Okay. So this is pretty cool restaurant. Ah, it's so nice. So let's explore it.
So if you would eat in this restaurant, they would provide an apron so that when you're eating the crab, you can wear the apron.
Yes, it is. It has written here Wicked Crab.
Messy delicious.
Yeah, and it has written here messy delicious.
And they will
Yeah.
provide you a menu.
So we're gonna see what we will order, yeah?
Yes.
And Gia is also enjoying with us here.
So we ordered this crab, and it's a blue crab, and if it's raw, it's blue. If it's cooked, it's red.
Yeah.
And then here is the seafood platter,
Yeah. And we got the gloves to eat
and we
this.
got the gloves to eat and apron.
How you are eating?
I'm just trying to remove everything. That's it.
The mussels were very nice.
I don't have any muscles. Can I try?
Yeah. You need to take out.
I don't want to try
It's
this.
very nice. Take out. Take out. And then dip it into the sauce.
Any?
And then have.
Calm down.
Tia, eat. How it is? It's yum, yeah? you are eating, Tia?
New sauce also.
This time,
So Tia Papa is taking out, cutting and taking out for me because I'm holding Gia right now. And it's so delicious. Must
Actually.
try to come and visit this place.
bro, how do I eat this?
Inside, no? Inside.
Inside.
This you should eat. The flesh.
See how Papa is
You
cutting.
have to take off all of the skin.
Yeah.
You have
Shell.
to take
Shell.
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 And then you have to. Yeah.
It's like I'm shedding the skin.
Yeah.
Look, have it.
Now I'll have it.
It's ready.
Oh my. Are you sure we're gonna...
Finish this food, you won't go in your home, huh? Stay here. Yes.
Yes, he said. This is the
This one empty
sea.
bucket for shell. Okay?
This is the seafood boil.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fine.
Are you sure we're gonna eat this now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to go home. I don't think we're going
He
to go
said
home.
he said that you have to finish, otherwise you cannot go home today.
Start.
So first time we are going to try the seafood
They
boil.
literally gave us empty clams. What are we gonna eat?
Yeah, 1 empty, 2 empty. You must have fallen empty there. Good, good.
Why are all of the clams empty?
So the seafood boil is so delicious in taste. Tia is still struggling to just take out the crab meat. Shrimps are there, na Tia? Eat that. Dip into the.
Shell.
No, it's fine. We'll clean it. Yeah, dip into it. How it is. Yum. My food is here, but I will take time to have.
You also eat.
Yeah.
Don't eat much.
Are you still hungry?
Yeah, Didi. What she's eating? Tia, you're licking your plate. Just have more than. Take the rice more.
मैं खड़ी हूँ क्योंकि मुझको बैठना नहीं.
कितना बैठा हुआ है?
I'm putting these shots. It was very good. But what would if I would be very happy if my mother.
Yes.
So we literally had 2 platters
Yeah.
and
We ordered
so
this.
many crabs and experience is very well. But the uncle said that if you don't finish this, you're not going home. And
So you finish it or not?
full. My mom is full. My dad is the only one eating this now. And he's only eating the big pieces, not the small ones. And don't tell the uncle that we did that.
Yeah. But actually the sauce looks so good.
Because it's actually
So I must try place for you guys if you really want to taste the seafood boil here in Wicked Crab. Tia, come over here.
bye everyone. Hope you had a great day today.
See you.
And this is a must try. And see you on the next video. Bye.